Welcome to Color Nava Unique Indian Competitions 2020. Music category. Entrance fee 500. Tradition New Cine Songs. Sub juniors. Age below 7 years. Any song with compulsory accompany. Duration 5 minutes. Music category rules. It is compulsory that sub-juniors and juniors has to sing along with Tampura Shruti or with accompany if possible. It is must and should that seniors and super seniors has to sing compulsory along with accompany, percussion or along with track recording. Please contact us anytime if you have any problem in finding solutions. There will be definite solution to solve. It is must and should that all participants of old cine songs and new cine songs has to sing compulsory along with accompany, percussion or along with track. Use 22 to 30 megapixel camera for shoot and videography must be taken in landscape, and edit the video, add and set the original audio using apps like KineMaster or any other, so that your video will be uploaded in good quality and it will seen in good clarity while broadcasting. Do video shoot in a bright light and must to keep in plain background like empty plain wall or a plain curtain. Compulsory it must be recent video shoot and participant must live in video. Video will be declined without any second thought if the shoot done for the purpose of any other organization or for your personal organization purpose, or if any banner scenes at background. The final decision rests with the organizers only. Rules and regulations. It's compulsory rule that we do accept only the applications which have the participants' guru's permission. Every participant can participate in any category of every dance, music, art divisions separately. But participant can participate only once a chance in each category. Neither banner nor any name must be there in participation video. It is very essential that the videography must be in quality and clarity making one. Please mail the edited video to colornava.nrityanjali@gmail.com through Google Drive. Note that sure to select the option can edit every while sharing the video through Google Drive. Please send participants full details along with 2 photos with classical dancer look in any poster, or others has to send a good looking one, and guru's photo and dance institute details after mailing the process of video had done. Please do send your videos as early as possible before 30th September 2020 to colornava.nrityanjali@gmail.com, and last date of submission is sure 3rd October 2020. Please do submission of your videos, applications and complete all your transactions before 10th October 2020. Unique Indian Competitions entry fee rupees 500. Shrestha Awards entry fee rupees 1000. Payment process. Please do payments through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm through to this number 9912779093 or send to the Union Bank account number 47420100014282. IFSC code UBI number 5474225. Name HKK Chaitanya Prabhu. Please share transaction ID and mention that which participant want to participate, and details through WhatsApp number 9912779093. Then we will send you the Colornova payslip along with the application form. Then the registration enrollment job will be done. Please fill the application and send immediately to kalarnavanrityanjali@gmail.com after enrollment job done. Please contact us anytime if you have any problem in finding solutions. There will be a definite solution. Mobile number 9912779093.